Okay, so beginning of this week, we finally launched the Token Metrics Astronaut Scholarship Program. What does that mean, and how can you get involved? So lots of our audience members, especially those in emerging markets, have been asking us, hey, Ian, hey, Token Metrics team, we like Token Metrics, we want to use it, but it's very, very expensive. So our team has been working on this for the last few months, and we've come up with a way where anybody in the world can get Token Metrics free for 12 months. So how do you partake? How do you become involved? Just simply refer people to Token Metrics. So let me pull this up here. We have a blog post. If you go to our blog, the most recent blog post goes through the details. Okay, just give me a second here. So just go to our blog. This has all the information, but basically, long story short, if you refer 5 people to Token Metrics, you'll get 12 months free of our hardware plan. If you refer 10 people, you'll get 12 months free of the investor plan. And yes, if you refer 50 people, you'll get 12 months free of even the professional plan, meaning that you no longer have to pay, right? If you're part of the Token Metrics family and you're able to go out there and just evangelize the product, you can get a free plan to Token Metrics. So just join the affiliate program. Everything happens automatically. Once you qualify, an email will be sent to you automatically. And yeah, so for anybody out there, whether you're a student or somebody who's brand new to crypto, but you lack the capital to invest, but you still want to leverage our research, well, now there's a way for anybody out there to get a free scholarship to leverage Token Metrics. Bill, anything else to add in terms of the scholarship program we just launched?
I think it's great for people in emerging markets, right? The foundation of all business is sales. So if you can, sell a couple Token Metrics licenses, you're in for a year. And I couldn't think of a better time to get in for a year than now.
All right. Thank you, Bill.
Apparently, referral programs are Ponzi schemes and multi-level marketing pyramid schemes. Apparently,
no. I mean,
be ready for your comments.
Well, I mean, if anybody's going to hate on a free scholarship, I mean, they can go to hell.
They will hate on it.
I mean,
have no fear.
I mean, because we're here giving people education and knowledge, right?
Hey, Amazon can have one. Tesla can have one. Microsoft can have one. But you can't have one.
I mean, Coinbase can have one. Binance can have one.
Yeah,
but
right.
We can't have one.
Exactly.
Yeah. I mean, but first of all, big shout out to all the affiliates out there. We've had our program, we launched in January, and we have more than 4,700 affiliates already. And our team told me we've paid out more than $200,000 in affiliate commissions. I was blown away. So, I mean, we definitely already have a huge community, but we think this is really going to take us to the next level and make sure that anybody out there is involved, whether you're in Africa, Middle East, South America, no matter where you are, if you're willing to put into work and evangelize Token Metrics, our team will reward you. So with that being said, tell us what you think down in the comments below.